Alcohol-free alcohol. Isn't that weird in Medina? Ugly grandma couch is 3,395 riyals.
No. We got the phone back from the security. They wanted me to unlock it. Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are on the way to IKEA. A lot of people don't know that there's IKEA here in Medina. IKEA is one of our favorites. We are gonna go ahead and check out IKEA today, inshallah. In this video we're gonna compare prices. We're just gonna go through the entire store and you guys can compare prices with whatever IKEA wherever you're living in. So if you're from Canada or United States or the UK, I don't know if they have it in the UK, but like Europe, I know they have it. Yeah, it's a European brand. It's a Swedish brand. Hopefully it's about the same prices here in Medina, but let's find out. All right, so we just got to IKEA. They have a garage, which is different from the Chicago IKEA, right? Yeah, it was in Schaumburg. Yeah, Schaumburg. We just call it Chicago.
Yeah, and real Chicagoans will get mad at you for that.
Schaumburg. Well, this one kind of reminds me of like Costco, the underground parking or the garage parking.
It does look like Costco parking. Okay, so these are definitely not Swedish meatballs. They look so much better. This is lemon chicken piccata. Oh my god, that sounds so good. That's one of my favorite foods. And then this is kibbeh with leban and rice. That actually looks so good. I allowed that. I wonder if there are halal Swedish meatballs here. It's kind of their like signature foods. I'd be surprised if it wasn't.
We can definitely check it out. We just walked in. IKEA definitely smells like IKEA, definitely. And we are taking the elevator. All right, so I think we're on the first floor right now. First floor, Musalla al-Nisa, women's prayer room. That's something different from like the IKEAs we have in the States.
Okay, they have rosé and like alcohol-free alcohol. Isn't that weird in Medina? Yeah, this is not nice.
No way they have gummies just for me. Oh, Swedish gummies?
No,
yeah, I think there's.
This is Coca-Cola.
No, this is not.
Swedish
definitely not.
red.
Yeah, definitely not Swedish fish.
Yum. This is corn dog, plant-based nuggets. That's amazing. And then chicken shawarma for only 3.5 riyals. That's actually crazy. And there's hot dogs. Do you guys want hot dogs? Sounds so good. And 3 riyals for ice cream cones. That's less than $1. Oh, and I saw mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks there.
Yeah,
right there.
yeah.
My brother Yusuf just hooking me up with these gummies. You sure you want me to get some gummies? You sure? Go ahead. Are you sure, bro? Are you sure? I'll eat the whole thing. Watermelon. You know what that means? Crazy how it's so empty. Like if this was in the States, it would be packed. Like packed as heck. There's not even one single customer. Marubu.
I need this. This is like the Rolos, right? Rolo?
The Rolos? Yeah, they are similar to them. So definitely very, very empty. We're not used to that. Kitchen showrooms are right in front here as we walk in. Okay,
this is definitely like Western style furniture. I love this room. I'm a sad beige person. Let's look at the pricing. I'm actually curious. This room is gorgeous.
11,830
riyals.
They set it up for you for free. They deliver and install for free.
Do you guys remember these?
Oh man, you got them from IKEA?
Yeah.
The one in Schaumburg?
Yeah. I just got flashbacks of our old house.
This exact, like all 3 pieces.
Well, how do you not miss it?
The kids would always like misplace them in the house.
Okay, here's another, like this is a living room and a dining room. Let's just look at some pricing here. This is for the TV stand and this is 1,195 riyals. This sectional is on sale for 4,795 riyals. It's really not that big actually. We have this amazing giant dining table. This is 2,795 riyal. I don't even know what it includes. I don't think it includes the chairs, to be honest, because you know IKEA, they like to sell everything separately. Yep, there we go. The chairs are 375 riyals per chair. Wow, that is an expensive table, but it is really cool. It's extendable, as you can see here. It's just very expensive. All right, here's more furniture. This is an interesting couch. Looks like my grandma's couch. This ugly grandma couch is 3,395 riyals.
No.
Wallahi.
Actual weight.
And this like really small one here is 1,595.
Bro, this thing looks like it's from like the garage sale.
I mean, it's imported, right? So anything imported is
imported. If it's that expensive, I don't want it.
3,995 riyals for this small tiny couch. All right, here's their lowest price is 700 for this tiny. Are you cooking? Is that a cinnamon roll? Yum. This is the famous IKEA kids kitchen. I don't know if this is a different one though. The famous IKEA high chair. This one is 75 riyals. How much is that? How much is 75? Because I know in the US it was $20 for the whole thing.
It's actually 20 bucks.
It's 20 bucks? It's the same price as the US. It was 20. Actually, it's on sale for 75. It was 99.
They have tons and tons of floating shelves. Don't you miss their floating shelves?
The famous IKEA cups. I like these colors more though, the pastel colors. The ones we had were like ugly. Feeling a little homesick now. Just looking at these. This is definitely not the view we're used to in IKEA back home. This is a new area in Medina. They're developing this entire area. Okay, here we go. Another gorgeous kitchen.
Back wall.
What is this? What is the material?
Oh, never mind. I thought this was like real like slabs of rock.
No, they're definitely not real slabs of rock.
Vinyl or plastic?
Plastic. I don't like it. It looks cheap, and I don't like this. It's not seamless. Not that I'm gonna buy this, but 32,301 riyals for this kitchen. Okay, let me see this. Is there an... Oh my god, that scared me. That actually scared me. Oh wow, this pantry is nice. I want this kitchen. Alright, we just walked into a man cave on accident. This is like... Yeah, this is a dream come true for all boys. Just spotted Suhail trying out a bunch of these desks.
Trying to choose a nice desk for my YouTube editing. So what do you guys think? I don't like this.
This is so cute, this little fort. Is that a... Oh my god, it's a bed. 995 riyals for this one. And then 700 riyals for this one here. And then we have this bed. This one is 1,495 riyals. I feel like it's a lot more expensive than the US, but I could be wrong.
We're in the bed area here. This bed actually looks reasonable. 1,145 riyals. This actually looks reasonable. I think this is like a... Yusuf, what do you think? Is this like a queen or this is like a full bed? A full bed? Yeah. 1,145 riyals. You actually had both of these, right?
Basket?
The basket and that flower pot. Pretty sure.
Everybody who's been to IKEA has one of these baskets. Am I wrong or am I right? Okay, so Head's in trouble for bringing me here because I need this walk-in closet immediately. Look at this. They even have abayas just to show you that, like, hey, you can hang your abayas here. And then look at the jewelry area. How much is this? I know that's not the price for the whole thing. This is probably for just like one shelf. Is there a price for the entire like set together? I think this is like per piece. That's very expensive per piece. This is 1,600. This one's 1,500. This one's 1,300.
Kids are like watching TV in this living room. We're in like a kid's room. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Look at this, like, oh, they have like a bunk bed with a desk. So it's a bunk bed with a desk at the bottom here. Kids are like having fun in this little small tent, circus tent. Look at this room. Look at this rainforest room, like Costa Rica. Sloth. Wow. Oh, you actually feel like you're in the forest. I wish I was a kid.
This is a new one. This crib is 695 riyals. This is the famous IKEA crib. This is the 399 riyals. Look at this bedding. This is adorable. This is a changing table. There's also infant closets here. This one is 500 riyals. And it doesn't come with any of this stuff inside, and we've reached the Swedish restaurant, my favorite part of this entire experience. The view is so beautiful. I would just come here to IKEA to eat, honestly. We're gonna see what kinds of food they have here. I'm wondering if they have the Swedish meatballs. Okay, I see Swedish meatballs in the photo. Now, do they actually have it? Do they have it on the menu? Yum, there's a coffee machine with fresh espresso. Look at the beans. Don't you miss our coffee machine?
Oh my god. I really miss grinding my own coffee, fresh coffee beans every single morning.
Okay, so here's like the setup. It's like a cart with trays on there.
Inside the cafeteria. Oh my god, look at these cakes. Carrot cake, wow. Woo. So looking at their menu, this is a chicken arugula salad, kale Caesar salad. She's getting the lemon pepper chicken pasta. I'm getting this Thai sweet chili chicken. Looks pretty good. That's the Thai sweet chili chicken. Yusuf got the mozzarella sticks. Yum! Look at that salad. They actually have a salad bar here. You won't see a salad bar often here.
Ketchup outside.
Ketchup? Alright, thank you so much. Thank you. Look at these monster cookies. Oh my god. Oof, Asian cookies. So we were not expecting so many plates. Oh my god.
I thought you were gonna say.
We don't even have room anymore. Alright, I'm gonna try it out. Why is this shower rice? Shouldn't this be sticky rice? Yeah, definitely not the right type of rice. Yeah, this is like fried chicken. Fried like popcorn chicken with the sauce on it, so definitely nothing about it is like, except for the sauce, but nothing about it is like Thai sweet chili.
I left my phone. She said by the coloring area.
Alright, so Marah lost her phone somewhere. Coco said that she left it by the art area. I think it's in that kids room where they were coloring. They apparently found it and they gave it to the security here, so we're gonna claim it right now. Oh, alhamdulillah. We got the phone back from the security. They wanted me to unlock it, so I unlocked it just to prove that it's ours. Good thing I know your password.
Okay, lemon chicken piccata. I'm gonna compare it to the one, where was it? The Cheesecake Factory. I told him to put extra sauce. Bismillah. Okay, it's good. It doesn't have like any cream. The other one was like a creamy sauce, right? It's still good, alhamdulillah. It's just a little bland. Do you want to try it? What do you think?
Tastes like Trix.
Trix?
Trix cereal.
Cereal? Okay, his taste buds are broken. Okay, so we're having dinner with this beautiful view, guys. Look at this. This is definitely not the IKEA home. This is so beautiful. Madinah sunset with mountain backdrop, and it's just absolutely stunning. Not used to seeing these like giant windows either. This is so cool. It's called Small Land. It's like kind of like a babysitting area. It's like a little play area for kids, and they take 10 kids at a time for free for 1 hour while the parents shop. So I love services like this because it helps parents like focus on shopping. We thought we were done with IKEA, but on our way out we found the lighting section. So many cool things here. From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. We've reached the part that I have been looking for. This is the warehouse section. Is this a yucca? I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure oh yeah, and there's cactuses. Okay, so these are definitely desert friendly plants. This is the entire warehouse. It's huge, still not as big as the one in the US, but I am very impressed at Madinah's IKEA, honestly. Hey guys, I don't know how we're gonna haul everything we got. I mean, I think our car fits on my roller. What do you guys think?
Should we get a cart for it?
Yeah, we should have gotten a cart for this to put our stuff here. So I'm gonna put this here, and this guy's gonna be like, okay. All right, guys, we are out. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, this sunset is unreal. Subhanallah, it's so beautiful. No filter needed because it is just absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you guys would like to see next. We're also curious to know how the prices compare to where you are from.